Hey folks, study guide problem 1a. Want to sketch the graph of this function, f of x equals e to the power of x minus 3, all of that plus 2. So let's think about the mother function e to the x. That looks like that. Has a y-intercept right there at the y value of 1. So if you think of these transformations, that minus 3 right there in the numerator, that is going to shift my function to the right 3. So let's mark 1, 2, 3 like that. And that plus 2 is going to shift everything up 2. So I am right 3 and up 2. So let's go 1, 2. And if that y-intercept was at 1, it is now at 3. If that horizontal asymptote right there was at 0, it is now at 2. And finally, let's go ahead and move that point to the right 3 spots. So I know I have that right there. And this graph is going to look, whoa, I missed. It's going to look something like that. Domain is going to be all real numbers, and the range is going to be all y values that are greater than, strictly greater than, not greater than or equal to, greater than 2, because we shifted it up 2, and normally this function has an asymptote at 0. So we do not have any x-intercepts because of that horizontal asymptote right there, so that is not applicable, but we will have a y-intercept when the x value of this function is 0, so that's going to simplify to y equals e to the negative 3 plus 2, because we substitute in 0 for x in this function, and we get 0 minus 3 is negative 3, and I get this as follows. And that is how I would write my answer. Y-intercept, I'd say e to the negative third plus 2, because I can't really simplify that without a calculator.